With all the self-care products people use today, they're exposed to a lot of toxins, obviously, in those products. Hundreds of them. I can eliminate all that. Have you ever heard of Norwex? Norwex has these, what they call body cloths for taking a bath. It's called dry washing. Essentially, there's silver impregnated in the material. It's microfiber. And I've seen demonstrations on the net. Remember, I'm just providing search criteria where they have like all kinds of pathogens, and they do these tests to determine if they culture, a sample from a table, for example, that had this bacteria on it, to determine how much was actually left after different cleaners were used on the table. And the Norwex cloth worked better than anything that they had in the demonstration. I was pretty impressed. So I got some of these and found that I can take a bath in 2 minutes or less. And when you have a sink, this works better, but it's hard to work a camera and do all that in a bathroom. So what I do is I just put a little warm water in this glass, and I'm gonna just moisten this cloth and show you within seconds how I take a bath most of the time. This works really good unless I just mowed the yard, in which case I found if I take the hose outside and just spray off so that the particulate matter goes off my body, during the summer. You get really, really dirty after mowing the yard and trimming and all that to get all the chunks off. Then I just come in, I wipe down with this. It's incredible. It's just this easy. So what I do is I wipe off, and then I take this microfiber cloth and give it some rinsings underneath the faucet, and it's about that easy. I can literally wipe down, I can do my back like this, just scrub it off, get every part of my body within 2 minutes. It's the equivalent of taking a bath. And after, we use these maybe for 3 days or so, it's good to wash these. So I put them in a pan with the special detergent that's made just for these cloths and let them soak for a while. A lot of times I heat it up on the stove as well. And actually, lately I've been trying this as well. I just throw these in the wash, the regular wash with my clothes, with the laundry. And they say that doesn't work as well, but it seems to work almost as well. And then they're good to go again. They're recharged. And that silver is in there permanently, so that inhibits bacterial growth in the cloth itself, which makes them very unique. But I found that extremely effective. There is no soap residue. Even if I was to use soap, for example, on my face, I would use this afterwards to get any residual off my face or skin, even if I take a bath and use some type of soap, which is rare that I would ever have to do that. There are occasions if you want to sit in a nice hot tub and kind of chill out. That's good too. I'd highly recommend a whole house water processing system though, so that you don't have any contaminants in that water. Typically the problem with regular water is the chlorine goes into the air and you breathe it. That is the line of intake there.